Hello students and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will share some last minute tips for the verbal ability and reading comprehension section of the CAT exam. Let us start off by taking a glimpse at the highlights of the VARC section in CAT 2021. The VARC section has a time limit of 40 minutes. Students cannot move to other sections until the time of one section is over. The total number of expected questions in the VARC section is around 22 to 24 and 3 marks are awarded for every correct attempt. The type of questions asked in the VARC are both MCQs and non-MCQs. There is a negative marking of 1 mark for every incorrect MCQ while there is no negative marking for non-MCQs. Apart from VARC, the two other sections in the CAT exam are Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning or DILR and Quantitative Ability or QA. Now that we have a basic understanding of the VARC section, let us move ahead and go through some of the last minute tips to ace it. Tip number 1. Never skip reading the newspaper. Reading newspapers on a daily basis is a must to enhance the performance in the VARC section of the management exam. Students must not take it for granted and must keep reading even during the final days of exam preparation. Tip number 2. Focus on keywords. Candidates must know that they do not have to dig deep and understand each and every word of the RC passages. All that they need to do is identify the essence and key theme of the passage. During the preparation of the RC section, students must make it a habit to eliminate irrelevant words, phrases, and sentences. They must simply focus on the keywords and string them together for the final picture. Doing so will save a lot of time, which students can utilize in solving other lengthy questions. Tip number 3. Time management is important. Candidates only have 120 minutes to complete the entire exam and 40 minutes to wind up the VARC section. Students need to strategize and come up with a perfect time management plan. They need to divide time for question sets. With proper time management, the RC section becomes a cakewalk. Tip number 4. Improve the reading speed. Developing a fast reading speed will aid students in finishing the CAT exam on time or ahead of time. While reading the sentence, the candidates must use a pen to keep their eyes, brain, and hand synced. Tip number 5. Practice reading comprehension online. In the final week of CAT preparation, candidates should begin practicing the reading comprehension passages online. This will help them in building the exam stamina and understanding how the online exam works. It will also provide them with the required speeds to read texts faster on screen and with perfect accuracy. Tip number 6. Crack crossword puzzles in dedicated time. Students should try to commit a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes daily to crossword puzzles. It will build skills in deciphering word meanings, jumbled paragraphs, and sentences, which will help them in solving questions of the VARC section. Last but not least, students must know that the VARC is the first section of the CAT exam. Saving time and solving as many questions as possible are the only two ways to fetch a good score and finishing the test on time. Students must avoid sticking to one question for too long. If they are not able to figure out the answer, they must move on to the next question. This was all about the last minute tips for VARC. For more such informative videos on CAT 2021, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.